Hi everyone, this is Chris. I got Dennis here with me today.
Hey everyone, we're just going to take a moment to show you what we're working on with Amber. Right now we're working on the scheduling part, and clinical rotation scheduling is a big part of the enchiladas, so we wanted you to know. So what we're going to show you this morning is something you can look at, maybe give us a little feedback about what direction we're headed. One thing I want you to know, we're assuming the role of you. So this is what you would experience as a clinical scheduler. So Janelle, Lisa, Mitch, who's ever doing the scheduling now, so we'll adopt that. One thing you need to know is that the colors and the format, that's not really relevant. Later on we'll come back and we'll do, change all that. But we want to show you kind of how things work in terms of scheduling. Right now you can see the kind of clock in, clock out stuff. And we'll come back to this later. We're going to enter the scheduling mechanism. But essentially you can schedule by location, you can schedule by person, and you can schedule just by dragging the calendar. And all of this is drag and drop. So I'm going to turn that over to Chris to kind of show you a few things on this schedule.
Okay, so anything on this side of this big red line with the target on top, this is the published schedule. Everything over here on the right of that line, that's the unpublished scheduler. If I were to look at my schedule over here, I would only see the published schedule. So if I wanted to add somebody as a scheduler to this schedule, here's Jeremy, we'll go ahead and put him at 2:30 in the morning. I'm sure he'll appreciate a 4-hour shift at 2:30 in the morning, 3-hour shift. Go ahead and hit add that to shift. Now this is this is on the left side of this line, so he'd be able to log in and see that change. Most times, I'm sure when you're making a schedule, you want to add things over here before you publish it, and then we'll go ahead and add Jeremy to that there, and then
so everything on the right side of the line is not viewable by the students. They have their own account, and when they go in there to see their schedule, you could be working on the right side in the blue area, setting up tentative situations. You're not sure if it'll hold or not, or you may want to change them, and so you can move everybody around. And then Chris, show them how you would publish that part, the blue schedule.
All right, and this is kind of slick. We just go ahead and drag this line, and whatever's on the left of this line, that's what's going to be visible to people. So we can change that on the fly. We can even go back if we want to. I'm sure that'd probably confuse some people if their shifts disappear, but then you can go ahead and change some of those again. So we've got the add by person, we've got the add by time frame,